So join me on this this morning's walking tour. I'm going to start off at Villa Unggul. Now this is where I started my first video, my walking video, where I went all the way down here, past the harbour, up until just past the Hotel Pearl, Resort Pearl, or Hotel Pearl, whatever. So this time I'm going to go in the opposite direction, which is this way. So, I'm not going to say much, I'm just going to show you the beach, show you what's up this side. Probably be about half an hour walk, I think. Let's have a good look down here. So it's about 8:30 in the morning, just to give you an idea. And we're filming, I think it's the 20-something of January. There you go. Welcome to a lovely morning on Gili T. Okay, let's go for a walk. All these little side roads here just run further up, and there's accommodation all behind here, so it's not just accommodation on the main strip here, it's quite a bit of stuff going on behind. Some nice bars and restaurants as well. Morning. Morning.
How are you?
Morning. Good, thank you.
I'm good.
Spin you around. Not too shabby. Morning.
Morning.
Let's just have a little walk over here onto the viewpoint. you go. Come and stay in one of these resorts and have breakfast on the beach. Very nice. Oh my god, you want to hire stuff. Oops. Gimbal at 1K. There you go. Just the prices for all the hire of equipment.
Morning.
Good morning. So there's nothing on this side at the moment. Looks like they're building a new resort just behind there, so I'll keep the camera on the beach. In Sanctuary. There you go. Let's have a quick nosy what's happening behind this fence there. Yeah, they're building more stuff going on here. So I'll just keep talking over this a little bit because of the music, and I don't want a copyright strike off YouTube, so I'll just keep nattering on. It looks like they're building something over there. Oh, but it's much quieter down this side. It's more the undeveloped side of the island. I suppose you're after more of a chill vibe and more beach, more beach bar type stuff. Come and stay further up this way. Directly on the other side of the island, right over there. That's the sunset side. There are a couple of nice hotels over there, and I'm going to go for a mooch over there probably in the next day or two. Turtle Point. So if you go on the beach anywhere around here, you'll see turtles popping up every few minutes. Just get yourself a sun lounger, plunk yourself down for a bit.
morning.
Morning.
Yeah, can stop here. Take some beer.
Too early for beer. Oh. Yeah, beer at 8:30 in the morning, not the best. There you go, that's where we are. So Gili T on this side, right in front of us Gili Nemo, and then we've got Gili Air, and they do day trips. So you can just go around one to the other. And if you want some idea of prices, just freeze frame that if it helps. The current prices to places. Ooh, dragonflies everywhere. Oh, them. So they class this as low season. I think it starts in end of October and goes through to March, and that's low season in this area. So don't expect the best weather in the world. But today, obviously, it's a bit of a blinder. The day before yesterday, it rained so much. Everywhere was completely flooded. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But today, you've got absolute bliss. Okay, I'll talk all over this. I might have to cut this little bit of audio out later on when YouTube get hold of it. I think they might give me a strike against this place, which is quite frustrating. Well, I'll just keep her walking. Well, let's keep her going. Quite nice, isn't it? Let's see what's around this corner. Might not be able to go too much further than this. Might have to stop at these GB Sweets maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So as you can see, the road just came to a natural end. The boats over here, these are the diving spots all around here. So I was diving the other day. Yeah, I think this is a good point here to cut the video short. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. Helps my little channel grow. It's completely free. Give me a like and subscribe. Or if you know anyone who's travelling to this neck of the woods, who wants to, who you think would appreciate you sharing this video, please do share the video. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.